The question I chose to do for my Teach It video reads, given two parallel lines, explain how to transform one onto the other. A, using rotation, and B, using a translation. So for a rotation to transform one onto the other, we need to, if we're going to rotate, we need to have a center. And our center, we're going to want to put it halfway between each line. So that's going to be somewhere on this blue line. And then we want to put it in the middle. So it's going to be about here. And then we would rotate it to transform one line into the other. So if we want this line to be down here, we're going to rotate it 180 degrees to get it from up here to down here. So they'll be reversed. So for our rotation, 180 degrees. So for our rotation, we would put the center halfway between, rotate it 180 degrees. For our translation, a translation is also called a slide. So we could just take this line, and to translate it down to this line, we would take it and we would move it down. We would take each point and move it down 1-2 units. So this point would now be here, this point would be here, this point would be here, and so on. So to translate it, we would take every point, move it down 2 units. We could also take this one, move it up, or we could take both of them and move them to the middle, and they would be on top of one another.